Hello everyone, today we are making Matar Paneer Archie style. So I've taken a little extra oil in one pan. These are 2 tomatoes and 2 onion, dry red chili, ginger and garlic. So very quickly I am putting everything one by one in a hot oil. So here we are saute frying onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now adding ginger, garlic and dry red chili. I've taken only one because I don't eat very spicy food. You can increase the chilies amount according to your taste. Now after 2 to 3 minutes again we are adding tomatoes, mixing everything well, and I am covering this for 2 to 3 minutes just so that the tomatoes are soft enough. And now because we are not going to use a mixer grinder to make a paste, I am shifting everything in a cooker. So we are not adding any water here. I am adding only salt according to your taste and according to the quantity of onion and tomatoes you have taken. Covering this and keep it on sim and wait for only one whistle. And here I am preparing the paneer. It's not necessary to fry the paneer, but I like it this way. It enhances the taste, I feel. So here again with a very small amount of oil, I have saute fried the paneer. And here our onion and tomatoes are cooked. I have mashed it with the wooden stick that I have. You can also use a bowl to mash it. Here in a very small amount of oil I have added jeera and bay leaf. Adding the masalas quickly here: coriander powder, turmeric and red chili. Here is the time you will add green chilies also, but I don't use, so I am not adding it. And emptying our prepared paste of onion, garlic, ginger and tomatoes. So mixing everything well here, and I'm adding boiled peas. Again mixing everything together well. Adding our saute fried paneer now, and we will cover this for about 4 minutes so that all the masalas get mixed well. And now I'm adding very little amount of salt just for peas and paneer because the gravy already had salt in it. And I've added 1 cup of water. Now it depends on how thick or thin the gravy you would like to have. You can add water accordingly. And now after about 6 to 7 minutes, everything is ready and I'm adding coriander leaves. And I'm eating this with plain rice, and this is my weekend lunch. I hope you liked my style of Matar Paneer. I will see you in the next video.